let's go shopping for some cars. Maybe we get the 718 Cayman, or maybe a G-Wagon. Yeah. That's a nice sight to see when you pull up to a private event. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. I'm over here in Barrington at Motorworks Porsche, right here behind me. They're doing a brunch event for the restoration challenge that they're doing, and this actually looks pretty good. Look at it. Our good friend LC 500's here. Looking good, like it. Got the airbags on it. Sexy Audi R8s. This is really crazy. They just restored this Porsche 912. And then they're going to do this one over here. So we're still in this one right now. I think everything looks pretty good. And this one, now this one's clean. Look at this nice, sexy, smart car. This thing is so tiny, it could fit in the back of my truck. Eric, for our first channel car, we're gonna buy you this smart car. Fat guy in a little car. It'd be awesome. A real nice Ferrari. Couple of people here for the event. Nice matte black series. Got a nice Ferrari Pista 06. Since we're at a dealership for a brunch, why not let's go shopping for some cars? Maybe we get the 718 Cayman, or maybe a G-Wagon. They got a few of the G-Wagons. Offer still stands about Eric's smart car. Get him that. Let him drive back and forth from Indiana. That'd be pretty hilarious. Or you got the old Taycan Porsche. This Cayenne looks really nice, new one. This is R8 leaving. Ooh, pops and bangs. I love it when cars go bang. Damn, that R8 sounds nasty. All right, let's get back to car shopping. Which cars are we buying? Ooh. Got a C63 right here. Or maybe we get the AMG 63. Those are really nice, about 250,000. What else does this dealership have? Get the BMW, put on a charger port. We're taking. You better taking. Another smart car. That's pretty crazy. I've never been really a big fan on BMWs, but this M8 does look pretty nasty. This is the M8 competition. The tinted windows. These are nice. I like them. There you go. It's the electric one. It's gonna be saying that out loud. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Till next time, stay humble. I'm gonna go take this monster truck to go get washed since it finally stopped raining. So till next week guys, have a good one.